Dear students, today we are going to revise our reader chapter number 3 and 4. Chapter number 3 is your The Dragon Rock. So in the chapter, as I have already told you, that it is a story of a dragon rock which was lying in a village and which was still lying. No movement was there. But once in a summer time there was no rain and the whole valley became browner and drier. At that time that dragon rock just get up and sneeze, and with that sneeze the whole water gets a lot of water. So now today we will do the question answers and tick the correct option. Now see the first tick the correct option. The first one is the village was a happy. Tick the correct option, sorry. One particular summer, the villagers were dull and sleepy because. So it was because the heat made them tired. So the heat was there, so they were becoming tired. So because of that only, the villagers were dull and sleepy. They were not so active. Number two, the valley turned browner and drier and thirstier because there were no rains and there was a shortage of water. So because of no water, the valley was turning into browner and drier place. Third one, people's eyes widened in wonder and they cheered loudly because they had water after a long time. So people's eyes widened means they get bigger and bigger with in surprise only, and they cheered loudly because they had water after a long period of time. Number 4, the dragon sneeze destroyed the village, yet the people were happy. So when the dragon sneezed, it destroyed the whole village because the lot of water was there and it just took away all the things. But still all the people were happy because it brought clear spring water to the village. So the dragon sneeze brought a lot of water, clean spring water to the village. So they all were happy. They were not thinking of the destruction which was being made by its sneeze. Now see the question answers. Why was no one scared of the dragon rock? So the answer is no one was scared of the dragon rock because the dragon were moved. So there were no movement. Because of that only no one was feared. Second question, how did the heat affect the people, animals and plants? So how it was affecting? The heat made the dogs sleepy and still. It made the farmers lazy and sleepy. The heat turned the valley browner, drier and thirstier. So here we have explained that the it was becoming day, so because of that heat only the animals were sleepy and still, and even if the farmers were also feeling lazy and sleepy, and the valley was turned into browner, drier and thirstier place. Now why were some people angry with the dragon rock? Some people in the village itself, they were angry with the dragon rock because it did not help them by bringing water, because in their stories they were told that someday this rock will help them, but it was not helping them and not bringing water for them. Now fourth question, what was the children's plan? How did they carry it out? So the children only made some plan just to make happy dragon rock itself. So what was their plan? How did they took it? So the children's plan was to make the dragon help the villagers. So they were just trying to please the dragon rock so that it could help the villagers. They collected, now that they here is children, they collected flowers and scattered them around the dragon rock. So they just collected the flowers and they just scattered them around the dragon. It was just as if we are praying, we pray to God, so like that only they also did that. So after that they sang the song and danced around the dragon rock. So after that they started dancing and singing song. Now we'll do the fourth chapter. This fourth chapter is about the shipwrecked. It is the story of a ship which was being damaged by the storm. So the Robinson family was being caught on the ship itself. How did they help themselves? This was the story. So now we'll do the take the correct options. Mr. Robinson shouted after the crew and waved his arms because he wanted them to save his family. So Mr. Robinson just wanted, as the crew members were just leaving the ship, so he just shouted them to get their attention and to save his family. The Robinsons could not sleep at night because, so why they could not sleep? They here Robinsons mean the whole family members, because everyone was very worried. Everyone was very worried. Because of that only nobody was able to sleep. Mr. Robinson snapped his fingers because he just make a sound with the two fingers because he wanted everyone's attention. So he just want to have attention of everyone. He want to tell something to them, to his family members. Now Mr. Robinson closed the top of the jugs and tied them to the raft because they would need them to store water on the island. So he just take the jugs also around with them so that they can store water on the island. Now Mr. Robinson smiled for the first time in 8 days because he was glad that the sea storm had finally ended. So the sea storm was ended and now they peacefully can reach the shore of the sea. Now we'll do the question answers. Why was the ship in immediate danger of sinking? So why there was the danger that the ship is going to sink? It was because the ship was in immediate danger of sinking because it was badly damaged in the storm. So the ship was completely damaged. Second one, name all the members of the Robinson family. So here we have to write their names. They are Mr. Robinson, Mrs. Robinsons, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and friends, their sons. Now, what did Fritz and Jack suggest? What was Mr. Robinson's response to both suggestions? So, when they were unable to find out the way to just cross that sea, so both his sons gave their suggestions. So, what were the suggestions? Here we have to tell them, and what was the response of Mr. Robinson? Now, see, Fritz suggested building a raft, and Jack suggested floating on a big tub. So there two different suggestions were there. One was the making of a raft and the another one just to float on a big tub. Mr. Robinson refused Fritz's suggestion. So if Mr. Robinson was not happy with the suggestion of Fritz, so he just refused that, saying that what reason he gave, that they might not be able to build a strong and safe raft. So raft, it's a small boat itself, so he thought that they all won't be able to make a raft. Now he was inspired by Jack's suggestion. Jack's suggestion was just inspiring Mr. Robinson, and decided to use cask to make a floating device. So he used the empty cask over the ship itself just to make a floating device so that they can sit in that and they could cross the sea. Now next question, what did the Robinson family build? How did they do it? The Robinson family made a rough raft using cask planks. So it was the shape of the raft itself with the help of cask and planks. they cut 4 casks and placed these 8 halves in a row. So they just cut the 4 casks, and those 4 casks became 8, and they all were put in a row and nailed. They all were nailed or tied we can say, with a long plank to their bottoms. They closed the tops of some empty jugs and tied them to the cask to balance. So they just tied the jugs also with them, so that those jugs will be used for to keep the waters on the seashore, and to make the balance they all were tied. All the casks were tied with a rope. Now next is, what did the Robinsons take with them on the raft? So what things they kept? Actually they are asking about the things. So the Robinsons took canvas, a chest of carpenters, tools, rifles, pistols, knives, fishing rod, an iron pot, plant seeds, 2 pieces of dried soup, biscuits, the hens and the rooster cock you can say, with them on the raft. So all these things were there which they kept with them when they started their journey towards the seashore. I hope these question answers and the lessons will help you. Rest of the things we will do in our online class. Thank you.